Hi. In my last video, I showed you guys this wonderful website, wordreference.com. Last time I was talking about conjugations in English and how you can look up any verb and you can see how it conjugates in all of the different tenses in English so that you can confidently conjugate yourself. In today's video though, I'm going to show you another part of this website, which is English collocations. If you don't know what a collocation is, I'll put a fancy definition on your screen right now. Basically, all a collocation is any amount of words together that commonly go together. It can be kind of like a phrase like Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, etc. Things like that. So the first example we have Merry. Maybe you know this word. Maybe you always see it with Christmas and you want to know where else do native speakers use this word. Well, here we can actually see it's usually just used with Christmas. Merry Christmas, wish a Merry Christmas, very Merry Christmas. It has a general meaning of being happy, so there can be a merry occasion, atmosphere, a person, stuff like that. The great thing about this website is that all of these words, it doesn't look like it, but you can click on them. Maybe you don't know the word Christmas, it will give you a definition if you click on it. Let's go back. If you don't know what merry means, you can click on that. It gives you a definition, and it does that for all these words here. In English, what's very popular is this thing called a phrasal verb, which is just a verb plus a preposition. So if you want to use the preposition out and see there's check out, look out, pull out, point out, and many more examples down this very long list. If you want to see how a verb is used in many different ways, let's take the word make. We have many uses for this. We have making a dinner, a connection, and so on. So this is a very strong way for you to learn another meaning of a word and another way of using a word you already know.